of nature. Nature's the intricate tapestry of life that surrounds us is a source of endless fascination and inspiration. From the towering peaks of mountains to the delicate petals of a flowers, nature's beauty is undeniable. Yet, beyond its aesthetic appeal, nature holds profound significance for our existence and well-being. The ecosystem, a delicate balance. Nature is not merely a collection of individual organisms. It is an interconnected web of life, where every element plays a vital role in maintaining a delicate balance. This complex ecosystem sustained off by providing food, water, and clean air, regulation climate, and preserving biodiversity. Biodiversity, a treasure trove of life. The diversity of life on Earth is astounding. With millions of species, each with its unique adaptation and roles within the ecosystem, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. Each species contributes to the intricate balance of nature. Biodiversity is not just about the number of species. It, it is about the intricate web of interaction between them. The human impact. Humans, with our ingenuity and technological prowess, have profoundly impacted the natural world. We have harnessed natural resources to improve our lives, but our actions have also come at a cost. Deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable practice have disrupted ecosystem and endangered countless species. Conservation, a shared responsibility. The conservation of nature is not just an environmental concern. It is a moral imperative. We have a responsibility to protect the natural world for future generations. Conservation effort must involve individuals, communities, governments, and international organizations working together to safeguard the intricate tapestry of life. Nature is a source of inspiration. Nature has long served as a muse of artists, writers, and philosophers. Its beauty, power, and resilience have inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. Nature's ability to adapt and overcome challenges offers powerful metaphor for human resilience and the possibility of change. A call to action, embracing a sustainable future. Always navigate the challenge of the 21st century. We must recognize that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the natural world. Embracing sustainable is not just a choice, it is a necessity for our future. We must transition to renewable energy sources, conserve resources, and adapt sustainable practice to safeguard the planet for generations to come. Conclusion, a reference for nature. Nature is not merely a backdrop to our life. It is the foundation upon which we exist as we strive to create a sustainable future. Let us cultivate a deep reverence for nature, recognizing its intrinsic value and the delicate balance it holds. By cherishing and protecting the natural world, we ensure a future where humanity and nature can coexist and harmony. That's all material I brought. Thank you for watching.